It is okay for your space to be cluttered because often our minds are cluttered and we have nowhere to put all of our disorganized thoughts, and so everything else starts to look like the chaos that's in our heads, and that's okay. There is nothing wrong with that. But I do want you to address the issue at hand and figure out why you are not able to tend to the things that are around you that are supposed to be meant to be your oasis and to keep you sane. And so for today's video, we are going to go room by room, cleaning things and getting them in order so that we can get back to living that life. Now, first things first, on any cleaning day, I always have to turn on some good tunes. I personally like to listen to podcasts as I'm cleaning, and of course I had to listen to my own, and if you're not already subscribed to That Girl Radio, wherever you listen to podcasts, make sure to do so. But once I've got my good tunes going, either a gospel playlist or a good podcast, I like to start just grabbing all of the miscellaneous items that are cluttering my counters or on top of any surfaces and getting them into their rightful places. And then once everything is cleared off, I like to then clean all of my surfaces and use disinfectant wipes where they're needed so that I can make sure any germs or things from outside are definitely taken out of my space, because y'all, you do not want to be getting sick because you have all types of bacteria on your stove. And then I head over to my living room and I grab any miscellaneous items and use my ottoman to hide them. That is my number one tip for those who are living in small spaces, especially if you're still living in the dorms. Having functional furniture pieces, baskets, and all that type of stuff that are cute but can hide your chaos is key. I know there are going to be a lot of questions about my furniture, so I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. My couch is from Wayfair. My pillows are from Target. My throw blanket is also from Target. The ottoman came with my bed. That is also from Wayfair. And then my rug is from JCPenney. Every time I clean my bedroom, I'm honestly shocked by the amount of bottles that accumulate on my nightstand. I am a drinkaholic. At night, I need at least 2 different options before I go to bed. One of them being a grapefruit sparkling water and the other being my water bottle. And then sometimes, occasionally, if I've had a stressful night, I'll have me a glass of wine, and the glasses just accumulate. So every deep clean day, I find myself grabbing like 19 glasses off of my nightstand. But once I have all of that cleared off and it wiped down, I like to head on over to my bed because y'all, you know the difference between a soft clean day, like a Hollywood clean day, and a real clean day is when you get down to those sheets and you start ripping them off of that bed. And if you are a duvet comforter type of girl, you know what I'm talking about. This is your least favorite chore because it is a true chore. This is like on the level of scrubbing the bottom of a toilet. It's just something that you don't want to do often because it truly is a back-breaking exercise, especially putting it back in there. I dread doing this every deep clean day, but it must be done because if we want to have good, clear skin and we want to live that life, we need to be washing our sheets. And there's just nothing like fresh linens. It honestly just puts me in such the best mood and gets me ready to be productive for like the next couple of weeks when I wash my sheets. So yes, please wash your sheets, guys. Do not be that person that doesn't wash your sheets for like 3 months at a time. It's nasty. But my biggest tip, if you do have a duvet, is to wash just your pillowcases and your sheets in one load and then wash your down comforters in the other. I like my duvet to be really, really fluffy, so I use 2 down comforters from Target inside of my duvet. My favorite thing about living alone is that you can say you're having a cleaning day and not finish that day and pick it right back up the next day, and no one's going to be mad at you. Because who can be mad at me for extending my deep clean for like 5 days? No one, because it's only me that lives in this space. But all I did this day was just really deep clean my living room. I went ahead and vacuumed my really dirty rug. And then I went ahead and started putting away some of my clothes that needed to be hung up, because this is something that I really struggle with doing, especially when I have tons of loads. So just doing a load a day is really helpful. And then for day 3, y'all, this is when things started to pick up. This is when I started to think that I was Bob the Builder, and yes, I could fix it. And I do have back problems. I got into a car accident my senior year of high school, so it's really hard for me to do things like be on the floor scrubbing this big old shower. So I went ahead and ordered this off of Amazon, and guys, this has changed the game for me. I am no longer getting on my hands and knees and scrubbing this shower. I am going to be cleaning my entire shower within 5 minutes. This was so easy. And now cleaning my shower is no longer going to be such a huge chore. So I'm really excited about that. And the best thing about this tool is that it came with so many different interchangeable heads, and you can use it on a bunch of different surfaces. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check the link down in the description box on my Amazon shop. But after I got my bathroom all together, just specifically the shower, that was the main thing I wanted to do for the time being. I went into my bedroom and I just started to put the sheets together. Don't ask any questions about what I did the day prior. I just laid down because I was tired. But it's all in a day's work, okay? We just got to do one thing every day. 1% better is the goal. You don't have to clean your entire house in a day. Just clean one room. We're doing one room at a time, y'all. I told y'all. So we're back in here. We got the down comforters out of the dryer, and we're going to attempt to put them back into the duvet. I told y'all this is like a huge chore. So I didn't even film it because I knew it was just going to take too much power out of me. But I don't know why. For the longest, I never used to sleep with the loose sheet, but now I do, and I love it so much. I feel like it controls my temperature a little bit more, better than just sleeping straight under the duvet. But my bedroom looks so gorgeous now. She's so clean and just cute. And then, y'all, this is when the Bob the Builder, Rikki the Builder, came out of hibernation. I get it from my mama. I literally feel like I can do anything. I'm all of 4'11", but I was bound to put this mirror up, y'all, okay? I didn't even have the proper nails or tools to put this up, but I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So I got together all of the things I needed. I went to Target, grabbed me some nails, and all I did was put the nails on the back of the mirror, and I put them up against the wall. And then once I got it up against the wall, I attempted to make the markers, and here is me installing. Let's attempt to get this into the wall.
I know damn well that is not my shit I just heard. I know damn well.
Okay, it went in the wall! Okay, I'm gonna have a handyman. Like, if you ever saw me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear. Y'all are either about to witness a major fail or a major win. I'm hoping that it is a major win. This mirror is heavy. Oh, I'm scared. I'm really scared. But it's up here, and it's super cute. Day 3, I think, was my favorite day because I finally tackled this hot mess of shelves that were installed in my bathroom. I thought these were going to be so cute. I ordered them from Amazon and they just were not functional. If you are someone who has a lot of products and you like to buy more products, you need something that is sturdy and it's going to be able to hold all of your products. So I went ahead and invested in these. They were about $35 on Amazon. I'll have them linked in the description box. And they were so easy to install. I used this little hand approach just to keep it level as I was installing just like the anchor screws, and then once I got the 2 in, I was able to move on to the next one and so on and so forth, and then I just added the final support screws as needed, and it was so easy to do. So if you guys want to book me for, you know, your move-ins, make sure to book in the link in description box. Book Rikki the Builder because she does get it done, like, okay. And I was just so excited to have this in my bathroom, y'all, because you have no idea how disgusting my vanity was starting to look because all of my products were having to sit on there because my shelves were coming off the wall. So I know there's a space in your home that is an eyesore to you right now and everything looks like it's flying off the shelves and it just looks crazy, but just be real with yourself. Take a little bit of time to figure out what is the perfect solution for that problem, and I promise you things will come together in such a way that you'll be like, why didn't I do this sooner? Because once I got the shelves up, I was like, okay, what am I gonna do now? How am I gonna arrange all these products? And I'm like, Rikki, you have so many products that are the same colors. Like, why not make them color coordinated, kind of like your closet? And it'll look cute, it'll look aesthetic, and it won't look so much of like a hot mess. It'll look more of like an organized mess. And as I add more products, I can easily just put them according to their color onto the shelves. And I'm doing so good. I'm filming content of the whole thing of me deep cleaning my house.
We love to see it.
I have not wiped this mirror off in I don't know how long.
Take my spot before they take me to the grave. Swear it's been too long, yeah, I can't recall your name. I've been working so hard, I'm just trying to get away. Tell me what you doing, won't you tell me where you been? If you got an issue, we can go and solve it then. I've been making M's, got this money I'ma spend. Ain't seen you at the start, you ain't coming to the end. Yeah, ooh, we been going way up, yeah, we like the view. Riding in the Benz, I might drop the roof, drop the roof, drop the roof, drop the, drop the, drop the, drop the. Now we making moves.
I hope today's video was a reminder to you that it is okay to have a space that looks cluttered and chaotic, because that is a sign that you are breathing. That is a sign that you get to go to bed every night and unmake your bed. It is a sign that you get to wake up every morning and try on new clothes and pile up your laundry. It is a sign that you are blessed and that you are given another opportunity to breathe the fresh air of life. And so long as I get to do this cycle every single month, I know that I'm blessed. So at the end of it all, just make sure to take care of yourself, to take care of your mental, and to take care of your space.